Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Microsoft Rewards lets you earn points by searching and shopping with Microsoft. You can redeem those points for Xbox gift cards, Game Pass, and store credit. First, confirm the same Microsoft account is signed into your Xbox and Rewards profile. Open Microsoft Rewards on the web or the Rewards app to view your balance. Link your Xbox profile under Account Settings and enable personalized offers for more points. Check weekly activity streaks and bonus offers to accelerate earning toward Xbox Rewards. To redeem points directly on Xbox, open the Microsoft Store on your console. Select Redeem or use the Redeem Code option to apply a digital gift card instantly. You can also redeem on the Rewards website and then sync the balance to Xbox. Common redemptions include gift cards, 1-month Game Pass, and Xbox Live Gold. Point costs vary. For example, a gift card may cost around 5,000 points. After redeeming, restart your Xbox console to ensure store credit appears under your account. Maximize earnings by completing daily sets, weekly quizzes, and bonus offers every day. Use Microsoft Edge and signed-in Bing searches to earn extra desktop and mobile points. Install the Microsoft Rewards extension to track progress and claim one-click offers quickly. Redeem higher value rewards during sales to stretch points and watch for limited-time discounts. Points normally expire after 12 months of inactivity, so keep earning to preserve balance. Enable two-step verification on your Microsoft account to protect rewards balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.